If you've been getting denied for credit cards, personal loans, auto loans, and if you feel like the banks don't want you, I need you to stop everything you're doing and listen to what Gloria is about to tell you.
Because today, we're unlocking a credit union that has been hiding in plain sight. We're talking about $50,000 personal loans with no collateral, credit cards starting as low as 12.49 APR, auto loans, boat loans, home equity lines of credit up to $500,000, and money magnets. It's free to join. No membership fee. I'm talking about zero membership fee. Nothing.
And look, stick around because we're going to break down a lot of these products this credit union offers, personal and business. We're going to show you exactly how to join and give you a strategy on how to approach this the right way. Come on, Gloria, let's get to it.
Okay, so we're talking about BECU, which stands for Boeing Employees Credit Union. Now, before you click off, hold up. You do not have to work at Boeing.
Right.
That's an old rule, Marvin.
Right.
You know, so pay attention, money magnets. Let me explain. You need to have a 700 credit score for the best results. But if you don't, we have something special for you in the description.
See, look, guys, back in the day, this credit union was exclusively for Boeing employees, but they've expanded. And now, Gloria, tell them how they can join.
Okay, so if you live, work, worship, or go to school in Washington State, guess what? You're eligible, period. But it doesn't stop there. If you're in select counties of Oregon, Idaho, or even South Carolina, you may also qualify. So don't sleep on this, money magnets. And if you have an affiliation with the Boeing or BECU partner organization, guess what? You're in.
Yeah, that's true. So this is not some exclusive military credit union where you need to have a government job. If you have a connection to those states or partners, you can join today.
Okay, Marvin, here's the best part, okay? It costs you absolutely nothing. No minimum balance, no monthly maintenance fee. You can open a checking and savings account with $0. That right there, cash flow changer, money magnets. You don't even need to make a deposit to become a member.
Money magnets, think about that. Free. That's less than your Netflix subscription. That's less than anything. It's literally zero. But if I were you, I would deposit something to get better chances. And if you really want a relationship, set up a direct deposit. All right, now let's get into the products. And we're starting with where everybody wants to start. Let's talk about these wonderful credit cards they got, Gloria.
Okay, Marvin, let me dive into it, okay? So BECU has 4 personal credit cards, and they are very competitive. Let me break them down. Number 1, okay? The low rate credit card. This card starts as low as 12.49 variable APR, but here's what makes it special. You can get a 0% introductory APR for the first 12 months. So for the entire year, money magnets, you're paying 0 interest on all purchases.
And that's good. 0% for 12 months. Look, money magnets, don't you understand what that means? You can consolidate debt. You can make a large purchase. Maybe you want to transfer balances and you pay nothing in interest for 1 full year. That's crazy.
Exactly, Marvin. And there's no annual fee, no penalty APR. Now, card number 2, the cashback credit card. Let's get into it now. This one earns you 1.5% cash back on all purchases, money magnet. And new card holders can get a bonus $200 if you spend $2,000 in the first 3 months of having a card.
A $200 bonus just for spending money where you are already going to spend, guys. I love that. I love when cards do that.
And the rate on the cashback card starts at 16.49 variable APR. Still, you know, Marvin, that's very competitive.
It is.
You know, compared to what the big banks are offering right now. And again, there's no annual fee, no cash advance fee, no foreign transaction fee.
That's good.
They also have a secure credit card for anyone who's building or if you're rebuilding your credit.
Right.
So if you're just starting your credit journey, like, you're new to the game.
Right.
This is the entry point into the BECU ecosystem.
And they have affinity partner credit cards too, okay? These are special cards with partner organizations. So depending on your affiliation, you might have even more options. Now, if the credit cards got your attention, wait until you hear what they offer when it comes to personal loans, because this is where BECU really separates itself from the pack. You're going to want to stick around and hear these numbers.
Okay, Marvin, let me go and drop it on them. The BECU personal loan is up to $50,000, Money Magnet.
Right.
Let me say that again for you. $50,000. No collateral required. No origination fees. Rates as low as 9.99 APR with terms up to 84 months.
Yeah.
That's 7 years to repay that, Money Magnets.
Look, $50,000 with no collateral. You heard that, right?
Yes.
That means you don't have to put up your car or your house. Absolutely nothing. They're giving you up to $50,000 based on your credit worthiness. And the funds, Gloria, how fast do they come?
Okay, so typically same day or next business day after approval.
Right.
The money goes directly into your BECU account.
Right.
So you can use it for debt consolidation, emergency expenses, medical bills, moving costs, even travel if you need to do some traveling. Whatever you need, the money will be right there for you, Marvin.
And remember, for all you credit nerds, they're pulling TransUnion. So if your TransUnion score is solid, you're in a really good position to get approved, and make sure you got over a 700 credit score for the best results.
Okay, let me drop this one on them too, Marvin.
Let's do it.
They also have a personal line of credit. This is a revolving credit.
Right.
Kind of like a credit card. You can use it for your overdraft protection on your checking account.
Okay.
There's no annual fees, no transfer fees. It gives you that, that safety net for unexpected expenses that you may have.
Exactly. Look, Money Magnets, if you know somebody who's been struggling to get a personal loan from the big banks, share this video with them right now. Send it in a text, post it in your stories. This information could change someone's financial life. And don't forget, comment ready below in the comments if you haven't already.
Okay, now we get into the part that I really like, Marvin.
What's that?
Let's talk about getting into some vehicles. Let's help these money magnets, okay? Because BECU has a full lineup here.
All right, tell them, Gloria. Auto Loans BCU offers competitive rates on new and used cars. And what's their special here? They give you new car rates on vehicles up to 2 years old. So if you're buying a 2025 or a 2026 model right now, you're getting the best rates. And they have something called the BECU reprice program. That means they automatically review your rate over time. And if your credit improves, look, your rate could go down. The bank doesn't do that for you. Look, they don't do that at all. Trust me. The bank locks you in and they keep you in the headlock.
Most definitely, Marvin. That right there is a cash flow changer because we're talking about no application fees.
Right.
And you can even finance at select participating dealerships. So you can go right in the dealership. You can also walk into the dealership with your BECU pre-approval already done. You just go in there with that letter and say, I want that car right there.
And that's the smartest way. All right, now for my boat people and my RV people. Yes, they got you guys. They got you covered.
Okay, Marvin. Boat loans with no application fee and great rates. RV loans at competitive rates for your motorhomes or your travel trailers, money magnets, and sport vehicle loans. That covers motorcycles, those ATVs, personal water sports, all of that. So if it has a motor and you want to finance it, guess what? BECU probably has a loan for it.
Look, listen. Most credit unions don't touch boats and sports vehicles. The fact that BECU has a whole product line for recreation, that tells you how member focused they are.
Okay, now if you're a homeowner or you're looking to buy a home, do not skip this part, money magnets, because what BECU offers for home products is going to make you rethink who you're banking with.
All right, guys, this is big. Let's talk about the home equity line of credit, or what we call the HELOC.
Okay, BECU HELOC starts at as low as 6.99%.
Yeah.
Variable APR now.
Yeah.
And you can borrow up to $500,000 against the equity in your home. That's $500,000, Marvin.
It is.
And here's what I love about it. No appraisal costs and no annual fees.
$500,000 in home equity line. No appraisal costs. Money Magnets, other banks charge you $500 to $600 just for the appraisal. BECU is absolutely waiving all of that.
And the wonderful part about it is you get a 10-year draw period where you can make only interest-only payments. And if you want predictability, they have a fixed rate advance option starting at 7.24 APR.
That's good.
Where you can lock that in, a portion of your HELOC so your payments stay the same.
Now, for the home buyers, if you're looking to purchase your first home, BECU offers up to $8,000 in first-time home buyer assistance. They have fixed rate mortgages, adjustable rate, jumbo loans, VA loans, FHA loans, even construction loans, and no origination fee for any of the mortgages.
And we're talking no origination fee on mortgages.
Yeah.
That alone could save you thousands of dollars at closing. Marvin, that right there is a cash flow changer.
Yeah.
And they have local mortgage advisors who walk you through every step from pre-qualification all the way to the closing table.
That's dope.
That's
and look,
amazing.
Money Magnets, everything we just covered, that was the personal side. But if you're a business owner and you're thinking about starting a business, what Gloria is about to break down for the business products is going to change the game for you. Look, stick around, guys. Stay right there for a second.
All right, Marvin. Let's talk about the business side because we get that all the time.
Yeah.
And this is important because not every credit union has a full business banking division.
Right.
But guess what? BECU does.
Look, they got the whole lineup. Start with the business credit cards, Gloria. Let them hear about those.
Okay. So they have 2 business credit cards. The business low rate credit card.
Right.
Rate starting as low as 14.49 variable APR.
Yeah.
And the wonderful part about this, Marvin, is there's no annual fees, no cash advance fees, no foreign transaction fees, and no penalty APRs. I love this.
Hold up. Let's run that back one more time. No annual fee, no cash advance fee, no foreign transaction fees, and no penalty APR on the business card. Look, that's unheard of, for real.
And the business cash back card is even better, Marvin, because you earn 1.5% cash back on all purchases.
Right.
The rate starts at 16.99 variable APR. Same thing. No annual fees.
Right.
No cash advance fees. No foreign transaction fees. No penalty APRs. Plus, guess what? You get this bonus. A $300 sign-up bonus when you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months. That's a cash flow
that
changer.
sounds like the noodles with no packet. Look, you also get $300 just for doing business. Money Magnets, think about it. You're already spending money on supplies, software, and marketing, right? Just route that through your BECU business card and you get $300 back plus 1.5% cash back on everything. Guys, that's free money at the end of the day.
Okay, Marvin, let's talk about these business loans now, okay? They have business term and guess what, Money Magnets? Equipment loans for financing.
Yeah.
Your business needs to grow. So this credit union is where you want to go. They have business vehicle loans.
Right.
The rates are as low as 6.99% for new vehicles and 7.49% for used vehicles with no origination fees.
Right.
Financing up to 80% of the purchase price and the terms 72 months.
So look, if you need a work truck, a delivery van, a service vehicle, right? Imagine paying 6.99% with no origination fee. Try getting that from a bank. It ain't going to be that cheap, for real.
Okay, you're right about that.
Yeah.
But there's also the business line of credit. This is huge for cash flow management. Rates are as low as 8.75% for unsecured lines of credit.
That's good.
From $5,000 all the way to under $50,000. $1,000. That right there can really help, infuse your business.
Yes.
And guess what, money magnets? There's no origination fee, and you only pay interest when you actually draw on the line.
Right.
So if it sits there, you don't have to pay anything until you pull off of it.
Right. That's your safety net as a business owner. Payroll might be due.
Yes.
A big invoice is late. Your draw is on the line. Look, handle your business and pay it back is real simple to get these kind of products.
Okay, Marvin, this is the kicker.
Okay.
They also have secure options for larger amounts.
Okay.
And they offer NSF and overdraft protection linked right to your business checking account.
Now, Money Magnets, if you're sitting here thinking, this is great, but I don't even know where to start. Listen, Gloria and I offer a free business Zoom call, right? We're going to look at your profile, tell you which credit unions to join, which products to apply for, and in what order to maximize your approvals. Look, guys, the link is in the description. We're going to leave a few slots open for you guys. Go book that call right now. Now, Gloria, let's talk strategy, because this is the part that separates us from every other channel.
Okay, for the people in the back that didn't hear us, BECU pulls TransUnion for personal products. That is confirmed, okay?
Right.
Again, TransUnion.
Yeah.
And this matters because different credit unions pull different bureaus.
They do.
So if you've been strategic about which bureau have the most inquiries on them, you can plan your application accordingly.
Yeah. So let's hypothetically look at it like this. Okay. Let's say you applied at Navy Federal and for some reason they pull Equifax.
Okay.
Then you applied at PenFed and they pulled Experian.
Yeah.
Both of those bureaus now have hard inquiries, right? But your TransUnion is clean, untouched. That's when you apply at BECU, and we'll show you how to stack these approvals.
Okay, Marvin, and here's the bonus part, okay? BECU reports to all three bureaus. So you get the benefit only of them pulling one inquiry on TransUnion.
Right.
But your positive payment history shows up on Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian.
Right.
That builds your entire credit profile across the board.
And that is how you play the credit game strategically, Money Magnets. It's not just about applying. It's about applying in the right order at the right credit unions.
That's right. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Mm-hmm. It really helps us reach more people, and comment ready down below so we know if you're taking action like now. Share this with someone in your family or in your circle who may need this information.
Now, Money Magnets, here's the thing. BECU is powerful, but it's one piece to the puzzle. What if you're in a situation where your TransUnion isn't as strong as you need it to be? What if you need to clean that up first before you apply?
Okay, that's exactly why we made this video right here. Breaking down how to dispute inaccurate items on your credit report and boost your TransUnion score in as little as 30 days.
Right.
Because you don't want to waste one hard pull at BECU on a score that isn't ready yet.
So click the video on the screen right now. We're going to show you how to get your TransUnion right. So when you walk into BECU, you're walking in with confidence. We'll see you in the next one, Money Magnets.
Let's get to the money.
And we're here to help empower your finances.